This is cause number 332904. Case is filed with State of Texas versus Jaden James Bell. Mr. Bell, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Bell?
Doing good. How are you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking, Mr. Bell. You're here with your attorney Larry Dowden. Attorney Dowden, how are you doing?
Good. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, thank you. And the state is represented by Attorney Lamar Johnson. Attorney Johnson, how are you doing?
Go away, Your Honor. Thank you.
That's good. Now, Mr. Dowden, what is your announcement in Mr. Bell's case?
Judge, with your permission, we just received our offer day before yesterday. We've received our discovery and have sent it to my client, but we've not had a chance to consider the proposal from the state. If there would be no objection, we'd request the court reset us 30 days, something to just have some time to sit down and look at the offer. We do anticipate a plea, Your Honor, but I'd like to have some additional time.
Okay, so you want to reset it, standard reset?
Yes,
Give us a standard reset, keep it on the announcement docket.
thank you, Judge.
Okay, this case will be reset to December 9th of 2022. Mr. Bell, your attorney is going to get your reset. Once you get your reset from your attorney, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. And Judge Dowd, once you get your reset, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good one.
All right, same to you. Mr. Bailiff, Mr. David, is that Sagara Brojas? Did he show up? Has he appeared?
Oh, Fedora?
Okay, he's here?
Did answer on the phone.
Okay,
No, Your Honor, you might be.
we'll hold on that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll hold. He's not here. Has Lonnie Cormier appeared? Mr. Bailiff, could you call the name of Lonnie Cormier?
Right there, Judge.
Oh, okay, he's here, okay. This is cause number 326200. Case is style of State of Texas versus Lonnie James Cormier Jr. Mr. Cormier is appearing with his attorney Thomas Roebuck, who is also appearing via Zoom. The state is represented again by Attorney Lamar Johnson, and the probation office is present with Mr. Gary Gilliam. State, do y'all have a recommendation in this case? Probation office?
Probation is recommended to vote.
Okay, a revocation, okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, Mr. Roebuck, what is your announcement in Mr. Cormier's case?
I don't have, I don't have all the discovery, Judge. I think there's some
Okay.
videos.
Okay.
Probably going to be a hearing, but I don't want to tell
Okay.
with that without having everything in my
Okay.
hand.
So we're gonna just reset it so that you can complete your discovery?
Yes, sir.
Okay, give us a reset date. Okay, this case is gonna be reset to December 2nd to give Attorney Roebuck an opportunity to complete the discovery in this case. Mr. Cormier, your attorney will be sent notice of your reset. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. Your bondsman will also be sent notice of your reset. This will conclude your case. Mr. Cormier, you're free to go and you have a blessed day. And Mr. Roebuck, I think this is the only case. So you're free to go as well. Your reset will be sent to you and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Next case is cause number 330318. Case is style of state of Texas, and cause number 330322. Both cases are style, the state of Texas versus William Cole Feltman. Mr. Feltman is appearing via Zoom. Where did he go? Well, he was on Zoom earlier. Mr. Tom Burbank, Mr. Feltman was on Zoom. Oh, there he is. Mr. Feltman, you could take your mic off of mute. How are you doing, Mr. Feltman?
Good, how are you today, Judge?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Feltman, you're here represented by your attorney, Attorney Tom Burbank. Attorney Burbank, how are you doing?
Doing fine, Your Honor.
Mr. Burbank, what is your announcement in Mr. Feltman's cases?
Your Honor, we asked every place on the trial docket. I think I'm missing a couple of the DVDs from the body cams, but I can be ready before the trial date on that.
Okay, this case is reset to January 30th of 2023 for trial. Mr. Feltman, your bondsman and your attorney will be given notice of your reset date. Stay in contact with your bondsman and your attorney. You're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Yes, sir, you too.
You're welcome.
I think I have one more, Judge.
Yeah. Burbank. I don't see you said you had another one?
Thought I did, Judge.
Yeah, I don't see your name on the oh, Catherine Cormier, what docket? Okay, yeah. Would you please, Mr. Bailey, could you please get Catherine Cormier? Jefferson County Court at law number 2, back in session. Next case is cause number 331930. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Catherine Cormier. Ms. Cormier, is that your full name? How are you doing, Ms. Cormier? I'm doing fine. Ms. Cormier, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Tom Burbank, who is appearing via Zoom. Mr. Burbank, what is your announcement in Ms. Cormier's case?
Right, if I can have 30 days, I think we can resolve this with a plea. I just need 30 days and have her come into the office so we can go over everything.
Okay. Now, Mr. Burbank, I see she has a felony case that's set on November the 7th of 2022. I think Mike Van Zandt is the attorney.
If you could maybe you can set it right after that, Judge. I didn't know it was November 7th.
So you're gonna, okay.
If you put another date, either on the 7th or right after that, this should be dispositive.
Okay, we'll keep it on the same date. Ms. Cormier, your case will be reset along on the same date with your felony case, which is November the 7th of 2022 at 9 a.m. On that date, you need to come here and check in, and then you'll go to drug court and check in over there. And once you finish the drug, you have to come back over here. Okay? And stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. They will be giving notice of your reset date. You're gonna get your reset here in court. You're gonna stand on the X in front of our court coordinator. Once she gives you your reset, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. You can stand over there. And Mr. Burbank, this is your last case. Your reset will be sent to you. You're free to go and you have a blessed day.
You too, Judge. May I be excused?
Yes, you may be excused.
Thank you.
Court will be recess. Next case is cause number 286444-1. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Ashley Irene Duhon. Ms. Duhon, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Ms. Duhon?
I'm great. How are you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Ms. Duhon, I have before me, your case is on the motion to revoke probation docket. And the state has filed a motion to dismiss your motion to revoke. And I'm signing that motion right now. Now, Ms. Okay. Okay, Ms. Duhon, I just signed a motion to dismiss the motion to revoke probation. And you can, okay. You can get a copy of the motion to dismiss your motion to revoke probation from our court clerk. That simply means that you're no longer on probation, you have successfully completed your probation. And you can get a copy there. Once you get a copy, you're free to go on your blessed day.
Okay, thank you. Here?
Right here.
I'm not seeing it. You can copy. You can have this one. I just need to.
Next case is on our motion to revoke probation docket. Cases, calls number 330-360, cases style state of Texas versus Colin Keith Eller.
Yeah, he's here, Your Honor.
Mr. Bailiff, would you please get Colin Keith Eller?
We'll be dismissing this, NCR.
Okay, well, y'all just had,
I'll prepare.
okay. State has announced that they're dismissing the motion to revoke the probation. Soon as they prepared, I'll be signing it.
Your Honor, also as a term of this probation, he's got it on now, he had a position monitor.
You said as a condition of his probation?
Not his probation, of his bond in this. I'm not his probation, I'm sorry. It's a condition of his bond.
Yeah, as long as he will no longer be on bond, so.
So does he need an order or something? We'd like to get it off.
The motion to dismiss should do that. Do we have, hold on a minute. Okay, the court is back in session in clause number 330-360. I have before me a motion to dismiss the motion to revoke probation, and I have signed it. And Mr. Eller, this motion will be given to your attorney to give to you. Mr. Eller, so the motion has been signed, the order has been signed, so you're still on probation. It's analog. Oh, pull up his file. I'm gonna sign the motion that's in the Okay. The court has received a motion from the defense asking that the court release the defendant requirement to wear a global positioning monitoring system, a monitor system. And so as a condition of bond, the defendant was required to wear a global positioning monitor system device. The defendant is no longer on bond for the above cause number, and that is cause number 330360. And therefore, the defendant would no longer be required to wear a global positioning monitor system device. It is therefore ordered, adjudged, and decreed that the defendant is no longer required to wear a global positioning monitor system device. Effective today, October 21st of 2022, all relief not expressly granted and is hereby denied. Okay, so we'll have our, this will be drafted up and then we'll get it to your office.
Okay, this, yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right, okay, you may,
Excuse.
yeah, you may be excused. I already gave him a copy.
Oh, they did a hand copy of the dismissal. I need a copy.
No, it was copied off, didn't you give me one or two? I gave him one. Mr. Adams, did I give you one copy of that dismissal or two?
One.
Okay, yeah, because I thought she gave me one. Okay, she needs to make a copy right quick. I thought, there you go. Here you go. That's gonna have to be typed up. Yeah. Yes,
Let me jump in here. On Destiny Alford, she's the last page of the announcement docket.
Destiny
Mr. Wilford, she's her attorney,
Alfred, okay,
and she's appearing by Zoom, but the state would ask for a reset because we've given an offer and then
Okay.
we're gonna.
okay, our next case is cause number 332282, case of style of state of Texas versus Destiny Alfred, or Destiny Marie Alfred. Ms. Alfred is appearing via Zoom. Ms. Alfred, you can take your mic off of mute.
Hello,
Okay, how you doing, Ms. Alfred?
I'm okay, and you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Ms. Alfred, you're represented in your case by your attorney, William Wilkerson, who is appearing in person in court. Mr. Wilkerson, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, Judge. Thank you.
And the state is appearing by attorney Raymond Shearer. Attorney Shearer, how are you doing?
I'm doing good, Your Honor.
And Mr. Wilkerson, what is your announcement?
Your Honor, we've been given an offer by the state.
Okay.
I do need an opportunity to discuss that with my client.
Okay.
I would encourage her to contact my office to schedule an appointment to review that and her discovery.
Okay,
And then, so we're just asking for a regular reset so that we can have her here in person to deal with this matter.
okay.
Number 9.
December 9th. Now, on that day, y'all gonna be here in person?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so Ms. Alfred, you need to be here in person on December the 9th. Your case has been reset to that date at 9 a.m. Stay in contact with your attorney. You're free to go, and you have a blessed day.
All right, thank you.
Okay, Mr. Wilkerson, I think this is your only case. You're free to go as well, and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. We have any, let's see. Carolyn Briscoe, would you? Good morning.
Who's-
Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is back in session and cause number 3311596. Case of style of State of Texas versus Carolyn Jean Briscoe. Ms. Briscoe, is that your full name? How are you doing, Ms. Briscoe? That's good. Ms. Briscoe, you're here represented by your attorney, Attorney John Macy. Attorney Macy, how are you doing?
I'm fine, Your Honor. Thanks, Pastor.
That's good. Now, Mr. Macy, what is your announcement in Ms. Briscoe's case?
Your Honor, we've asked for a reset in order for me to find out whether she qualifies for pretrial diversion.
Okay. Now, the next pretrial diversion is December 8th. Okay, so we're gonna set it for the second week in December. The next, because I think the next sign-up date is the first week in December, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, and I wouldn't be surprised if it was one of those,
Yeah, it's every other month, so we just had one.
That's correct.
Yeah, okay.
December 12th.
Okay, so we're gonna reset this case for December 12th. Ms. Briscoe, to see if your attorney will be able to, your attorney is gonna make an application for them to consider placing you in the pretrial diversion program. And if you are placed in that program, you'll have a sign-up date. The sign-up date is normally December. The first week, it's every other month, so the next one is the first week of December. Now, if you don't get into that one, if they haven't reviewed your application, then we may have to reset your case again, okay, to give them time to review it and to make a determination as to whether you'll be accepted or not, okay? So this case will be reset to December 12th, 2022. Mr. Macy is gonna sign for you reset. Once he signs for you reset and give it to you, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. Mr. Macy, you and your client can stand over there in front of the court coordinator. Once you, I think this is your last case, so you'll be free to go as well and you'll have a
Thank you.
blessed day. You're welcome. He there, okay. Would you please get him? Our next case is cause number 326368. Case is style of State of Texas versus Samuel Cadena. Mr. Cadena is present in court, and Mr. Cadena is represented in this case by Attorney Bruce Cobb. Now, Mr. Cadena, how are you doing? I'm doing fine. Mr. Cobb is appearing via Zoom. Mr. Cobb, how are you doing?
I'm doing fine, Your Honor.
Mr. Cobb, what is your announcement in Mr. Cadina's case?
We'd like to reset for just 30 days, and I need to look over the discovery. I've been getting the discovery in other cases, and I don't know for sure if I've got Cadina's, but I'm getting all the discovery, and I just need to review it and have him come by the office and review it, and then we can make our announcement, either plea or trial.
Okay, give us a reset date. Okay, this case will be reset to December 9th of 2022. Mr. Cadena, your attorney, and your bondsman will be given notice of your reset date. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. You will be given a copy of your reset here in court from our court coordinator. Please stand on the X in front of our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. And you're welcome. And Mr. Cobb, you can go front of it. And then Mr. Cobb, once we will be sending you your reset, so you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Your Honor. I think this is the only case I have.
Yes, this is it.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You have a blessed day.
Okay, you too.
Okay, the court will be in recess.